Are you a real foodie? You know food is bae when there's more cheese than pasta. Keep it coming. If you're dating a foodie, you can expect generous bites like this. Sharing is caring, right? Lunch with friends is always, oh no, she didn't. She did. Is that mine? Oh, okay. Is that mine? No. She's really gonna start without me, isn't she? Cake. I'm not drooling, you're drooling. 2 cookies? That's cute. Even when you don't think you're hungry, you're hungry. And doesn't Bae's food always taste better? I'll just have one more bite. Oh no! There goes that slice. Not so fast. I'll take that. 5-second rule. It's not empty until I say it's empty. What? I'm cutting down on food waste. Free donuts? As in plural, right? They didn't say how many donuts. Oh, thanks for grabbing popcorn. I brought this and that and these and of course that and this and these and definitely these. Oh, sure, you can have some. Oh my God, okay, 3 more seconds. Come on, microwave. Yes. Pizza roll dance. Oh, hot lava. Whipped cream, chocolate syrup, maple syrup. Oh my. Ooh, nice spread. Oh, hey, you should try this. You'll love it. Cupcakes. Oh, do I have something on my face? Thanks. Do I want it? I do. I want the last burger. Ooh, all is fair in food and war. So stuffed. So full. I couldn't Ooh, is that cake? All right, boys. Giddy on up. Back in the saddle. Ooh, cake always tastes better straight from the fridge. Breakfast time. Gotta get milk. Where's the milk? Where's the milk? Are you serious? Every time. Well, they both have fruit in them.